Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. It has been a long time I haven't created any video, so that's the reason I thought to create this video. So what's going on, right? So guys, I finally got an internship. I started day before yesterday. So today was my second day. So I'm a little bit busy. That's the reason I haven't created any contents on my YouTube channel. But what are we expecting on my YouTube channel? What kind of videos are we expecting? So there is ton of different contents on my YouTube channel on Python. Of course, this channel was solely for Python, right? So you will expect a lot of Python videos, of course. But as a software developer, as a software engineer, as a DevOps engineer, you should not be skeptical about one programming language. We should be open to learning different programming languages. That's the reason, on my channel right, these days I started a little different. Like I started Node.js, ASP.NET, JavaScript, and stuff like that. So please feel free to learn all of these. What is upcoming next? I'm gonna create some tutorials more on AWS now. Especially there is this buzzword in the market right now. It's called as Elasticsearch. We are going to learn in detail, object-oriented, state-of-the-art code with Python. We'll learn how to write efficient queries. We'll also learn something called as Kibana. I know it's a little fancy word, Kibana, or however you want to say Kibana, right? So Kibana, Elasticsearch, and Elasticstash, if I'm not wrong, if I said it correctly, these are the pretty popular I can say like a database tool, kind of database, but not exactly the database. So what is Elasticsearch? Basically, it's kind of like a database, but I mean a little more powerful. Like it's used to search the items. I mean, efficient searching is done using this. So I'm gonna create a lot of contents and videos and tutorials on that. So we'll learn about Elasticsearch. We'll do that on locally on the Windows machine. So if you observe now, I do have a Windows machine. So you will see with tutorials on Windows machine. We'll install Elasticsearch, Kibana. Kibana is basically a graphical UI tool to interact with Elasticsearch. Once we are comfortable, we'll jump into state-of-the-art, object-oriented code, design patterns. Once we are good with that, we'll move to AWS. We'll learn how to create an instance on AWS. We'll learn how to create shards and migrate data from S3 buckets to the Elasticsearch. We'll develop some kind of ETL scripts and stuff like that. So these kind of tools these kind of stuff is pretty important. It's very important when you join any company as a software engineer or a software developer. So I would be teaching you all of these, right? So the first topic would be basically on Kibana, Elasticsearch, right? Then you would be, of course, expecting a lot of tutorials on Python. Of course, that's the channel, right? Python developer. But slowly, please feel free to learn different other programming languages. Like I have a Node.js tutorial. Feel free to learn that. Don't be skeptical just to Python. Learn different thing, new thing. Develop a learning attitude, right? So that's the most important thing. So remember, guys, always in your day, like every single day, your body needs food, right, to survive. So you also have to feed your mind with knowledge every single day. So learn something new every single day, 1 hour, right? Just 30 minutes. Just watch some YouTube videos, do some search, watch or read some blogs. Basically, it takes 30 minutes, right? So this will basically help you a lot, basically increasing your knowledge and focusing more on learning, basically. And yeah, so even I was pretty skeptical when I started programming. I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna do a C#. It's different. It's Java and all that. I was very skeptical, but slowly I developed my learning attitude. I mastered one programming language, Python. I did C++, C#, JavaScript, Node.js, and now I've done so many frameworks also in web apps. I did ASP.NET Web Forms. I did I did ASP.NET Web Forms. Then I did I think it was an MVC architecture. I have some videos on that, web apps using MVC architecture. I learned Angular, JavaScript, of course CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap. So what I'm trying to say is, enjoy the learning process, enjoy learning new things every single day. That's what I want to say. So on my channel, these are the contents you would be expecting in future. As I said, Python would be of course there, but now a little bit we would be diverting towards different languages. And in each of my videos, I will stress more on data structures and algorithms, because when you want to go to the interview, they are going to grill you a lot on data structure. Even for this job that I got, like the internship, they grilled me a lot on data structures and algorithm. Hash math, linked list, double linked list, priority queues, stacks, everything. You have to know all of that. I did not know. I learned everything. So if I can do it, you can of course do it, right? I mean, if a person like me from a non-technical background, I mean technical background but non-software engineering background, who developed interest or passion towards software engineering, why can't you do it? You can do it. The only thing is you're not putting in the efforts. You're not putting in the time. So you have to sit inside a room, sit for 8 hours, 10 hours straight, just keep learning, enjoy the process. So there is a saying, guys, if you want to reach a destination, if you have a car, right? So the way you reach your destination is you would put your destination on your Google Maps or Navigator, right? And the Navigator would basically direct you to your destination. Similarly, if you do not put actions, how would it direct you towards your dream, towards your goal, right? So you have to put in the hours, you have to put in the work, you have to sit alone, you have to sacrifice your friends, spend time with your laptop, learn something new every single day and enjoy that. And if you're learning, spread the knowledge, write blogs, just share it with the community. Why not share it, right? Other people will benefit from your work, right? So that's all I would like to say. I learned so much by teaching people on YouTube. I mean, that's just amazing. I mean, just by teaching someone, you learn things more better. Well, this was just a small motivation from my side. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, please list them in the comment section. As usual, I'll create contents every Saturday, Sunday, because I'm working as an intern, so it's a little difficult for me. But definitely YouTube is my first priority. I love to create contents. I love to share my knowledge. So yeah, coming up videos on Elasticsearch, Kibana and stuff like that, of course with the Python. So I'm very excited to teach you all of these, and hope you are excited to learn all of these as well. So as usual, guys, keep smiling, keep coding, keep practicing, keep getting better and better each and every day. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.